Hey guys, Wes here with our Nova Scotia adventure. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a HVLP, so it's a high velocity, low pressure spray system from PowerFist. The box there, just picked it up on sale for $119. There's the hose it comes with. It's 15 foot. Let me get the instructions out here. So the quick look through the instructions. It does not say what this thing here is for. Look at spray gun. Got a plastic tank. Not sure if it says what how much it holds. And then it comes with built-in compressor. And these hoses are quick connect, I believe. Yep. Goes to a spare tip. This little plastic in here is for checking your viscosity of your paint once it's thinned. So no extra over packaging, which is nice. Pretty lightweight. Looks like the easy system to keep clean. It has your mixing directions here. So it says oil-based interior enamel, 1 part solvent to 4 parts paint. Outdoor oil base, 1 part solvent to 3 parts paint. Lacquers, 1:2 ratio. And stains and varnishes generally don't need to be thinned. If you've ever done spraying before, it's always nice once you get your paint mixed to do a test spray on something you generally are not going to use. Lists all the parts, even though I don't think you can order replacements. For all you Americans, I believe this is the same exact style that they sell at Harbor Freight. Just the Canadian cheap version. Grip's comfy for a plastic handle, so probably wouldn't want to drop it too many times before this starts cracking off. Spring's nice. Nozzle looks like a shiny chrome. Nice finish on it. Needles, turned brass. Retaining clip or screw is plastic as well. I definitely don't want to over tighten. And that's it. And still doesn't explain what this thing here is for. Nope. Yep. So I hooked it up, and I was going to do a quick demonstration of it running. It's just pretty loud. Sounds like a vacuum cleaner running. So we'll have to do that until I start doing some paint tests. And once I do some painting with it, do a few cleans and maybe paint a room or two, I'll actually do a review on it. One thing I did notice right away that I don't like too much is where the nozzle joins the hose. One thing I would have liked to have seen is the same type of connection that's on the bottom of it. That way if you have the hose stretched out and you want to get that last little bit without moving the whole unit, that just won't pull out. Because there's nothing in there to keep the hose connected to the spray gun. That's my initial findings so far. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm in the midst of buying a new house, and my hand still is not healed yet, so I'm very limited on stuff I can do. But if I get this house, there's probably going to be a bunch of renovation videos coming up, and as much outdoor stuff as I can do with just using my wrong hand. And till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, and welcome to all the new subscribers, and I'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye.